Oh no, my phone died. Oh no, I missed the bus. Oh no, I spilled my coffee. Oh no, I spilled my coffee. Oh no, I forgot my wallet. Oh no, I'm late again. Oh no, I pressed the wrong button. Oh no, I sent it to the wrong person. Oh no, I deleted the file. Oh no, this isn't working. Oh no, the internet is down. My battery is almost dead. I dropped my phone. It's broken. I locked myself out. I can't find it. I forgot my password. I missed the call. I made a mistake. This isn't what I ordered. I pressed the wrong button. I sent it to the wrong person. I deleted the file. I burned the food. I took the wrong turn. I missed the train.